Hello friends, today's date is 27th September 2021 and today's video topic is a constructor in Java. So let's see what is the constructor in Java. In Java, a constructor is a block of codes similar to the method, and it is called when instance of the class is created. At the time of calling constructor, the memory for the object is allocated in the memory, and it is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called. It calls the default constructor if there is no constructor available in the class. In such case, Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. Now so we can see the what is the types of the constructor. There are two types of constructor in Java. First one is no argument constructor, and that is the default constructor, and second one is a parameterized constructor. If it is called the constructor because it constructs the values at the time of object creation, and it is not necessary to write the constructor for a class. It is because the Java compiler creates a default constructor if your class does not have any. Now we can see the rules for creating the Java constructor. There are for some rules to define for the constructor. First one is a constructor name must be same as its class name. Second one is a constructor must have no explicit return type, and third one is a Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. So we can see the in details of the default constructor and parameterized constructor. So first one is a Java default constructor. Constructor is called default constructor when it does not have any parameters. Now we can see the syntax of the default constructor. Class name in open and closing brackets, and then open and curly brackets. Now we can see the example of the default constructor. In this example, we are creating the no argument constructor in the bike class, and it will be invoked at the time of object creation. Now we can create the class a default constructor, class bike1, creating a default constructor, that is the bike1 in open and ending parenthesis. Then we can print the message in bike is created. Then now we can create the main method, and we can call a default constructor by the bike1 b is equal to new bike1. Now if there is no constructor in a class, then compiler automatically creates the default constructor. So now we can see what is the purpose of a default constructor. The default constructor is used to provide the default values to the object like 0, null, etc. It is depending on the type. Now we can see what is the parameterized constructor. A constructor which has a specific number of parameters is called a parameterized constructor. Now we can see why use the parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is used to provide the different values to distinct object. We can provide the same values also. Now we can see the example of the parameterized constructor. In this example, we have to create the constructor of student class that have two parameters. We can have any number of parameters in the constructor. So we can see the example. Suppose we can create the class student, then integer id, string name. Now we can create the parameter as a constructor, then student, in bracket integer I and string n, then id is equal to I and name is equal to n. Now we can create the method to display the values. In a method we can print the id and name, and now we create the objects and passing the values. Student s1 is equal to new student 1 and ram, then student s2 is equal to new student 2 and sham. Then now calling the method to display the values of object, that is the s1 dot display and s2 dot display. Now we can see the constructor overloading in a Java. In a Java, a constructor is just like a method, but without a return type. It can also be overloaded like a Java method. Then constructor overloading in a Java is a technique of having more than one constructor with different parameter lists, and they are arranged in a way that each constructor performs a different task, and they are differentiated by the compiler by the number of parameters in the list of their types. So it's all about information about it's all about the information is constructors. And thank you so much.